Hello, agents, and welcome to another episode of Travel Tea Tuesday, where we share the latest travel deals, latest travel news, advisories, and promo codes. All right. So today I am drinking water. It's pretty early in the morning here, so let me go ahead and drink this. Give me a second. Nothing like filter water. All right, let's jump on in. All right, let's do this. All right. So on the 17th, it marks the death of Mumtaz Mahal. And so if you guys don't know who Queen Mumtaz Mahal is, that is the queen that the Taj Mahal was inspired behind. He died during childbirth, unfortunately, and yeah, the king at that time, he decided that he was going to build the Taj Mahal. That's love. That's real love. I can't say real love, but that's love. He loved that lady, okay? But Mumtaz Mahal, right? So 1607, all right. And then she died in 1631, all right? And that is the amazing Taj Mahal. We love the Taj Mahal. But yeah, I thought I'd mention that. I mean, it's not, I always like to have some good news that's bad news, but the Taj Mahal is stunning. Okay? Hope that makes sense. Hope that didn't sound so weird. Let's keep going. All right, let's read into these travel advisories. So are there any travel advisories? I don't know because I haven't checked yet. So let's see. All right, so we do have two new travel advisories. So we got one for Bolivia, level 2, and then one for Burma. It's at a do not travel. So if you guys have any clients that are going to those destinations, yeah, they might have some questions for you. All right. Let's jump on into this travel news. All right. So I saw this where American Airlines has launched a commission program for the new NDC fares. And so they're saying that they pay 10% commission for NDC fares enabled bookings of American Airlines Main Plus, Main Select, and Flagship Business Plus bundles. Okay. So y'all be on the lookout for that. Some changes are coming. All right. Let's see. All right. So over here, I found this other one that said travel advisors said if they had $1,000 budget, where would they go or where would they send their clients to? So over here, I see California, Oxnard, Florida beaches, Waco, Texas, any of the national parks, New Orleans. Y'all, these are some gems, right? Let's see. All right, the next one over here is Tap Portugal. They have some new stops over, new routes over in Brazil. So over at Florianopolis, y'all is early. Florianopolis, yeah, they're making new stops over there. So y'all don't forget that Tap Portugal. They do have that stopover program. So read up on that. But yep, got that going for TAP. All right. So over here, I am super excited about this. So these new rules will go into effect June 25th. All right. So travelers will be able to get refunds for significantly delayed flights and luggage starting on June the 25th. So y'all be on the lookout for that. Y'all can just go to the state's DOT website to find out specifics on airlines and what they're supposed to be giving either you or your client. So if your client calls and say, hey, the flight was delayed by X amount of minutes, listen, go on there, type real fast and figure out how much the airline is supposed to give your clients. And, you of course, can tell your client and, they'll get their money. That's service, okay? Because sometimes clients don't know that. All right. Over here, I saw this one. The Cathay Pacific unveils buy one, get one free offer. Perfect for family trips to Hong Kong. So look into that. So let's see. Little hands hold big hands. Have fun in Hong Kong 3 days and 2 nights free. So let's see. The promotion offers a buy one, get one free deal on air ticket for 2 travelers sponsored by Hong Kong International Airport, making it a ideal choice for families. So available until June 30th. The package allows departure from Taipei or this other destination with travel dates spanning from June 11th through October 15th. Participating tourism operators are offering a variety of independent travel packages that include flight and accommodation. So yeah, check that out. So over here are some participating ones. So Woofu Travel, Polar Travel, GD Travel, EasyFly.com. Quite a few of them. Lion Travel, Tijuana Travel, Southeast Travel. Um, yeah, check that out. Thought that I would mention that for you guys. And let's jump into these travel emails. So I got an email from, I mean, I know this is not travel related, but y'all know I love y'all. And so, I mean, I'm just checking my email and figuring this out. And the sale is not over. Bath and Body Works is having their semi-annual sale. So if y'all trying to put some gifts or something together for your girls' trips or something, y'all, $3.95. Select body care. Candles, no, you can't take those with you, but fragrance refills, hand soaps. And then the sale ends on June the 24th. Okay. So yeah, that'd be something good that you could throw into those bags. Who doesn't love Bath and Body Works? And listen, if they don't love it, then you just take it back to Bath and Body Works and get whatever fragrance that they want. So yeah, I think that semi-annual sale is something that's good that's going on right now. All right. Another thing that I found is that complimentary land packages are being extended, and I believe that this is for Amawaterways. So let's see. With Amawaterways complimentary land package offer, the clients can explore an incredible city where their river cruise begins or ends. They can recover from their flights, pamper themselves with a few extra days or relaxed exploration before returning home. All right, so it's extended for a limited time. New reservations receive a complimentary 2, 3, or 4 night land package before or after the select 2024 and 2025 Europe River cruises. So offer is valid through June 30th, 2024. And if you guys are trying to get this deal, remember to book this inside of your Ensemble portal. Or actually, I take it back. It's not book it. You don't book it inside of your Ensemble portal. Inside of your Ensemble portal, you can go in there and get the promo codes and stuff. Or if you jump on the Amaway Waters site and you go to the button that says Ensemble, you'll be able to find the deals and stuff there. All right, or check your email. I'm pretty sure it's in your email. Okay. Let's keep it going. All right, so Beyond Times Square. Why did I put this here? So introducing our new Travel Advisor community portal. So they have a new Travel Advisor community portal. So let's see, online experience, catalog, frequently asked questions, training, marketing materials, right? And then over here, unlock an exclusive gift with our Charleston or Savannah booking. So they're giving a $100 value gift box from Charleston Old Welling Company. Yours when you confirm your bookings to these destinations by June the 15th. Okay. Let's keep going. So Qantas is having, Centrav is having a webinar for Qantas, and this is going to be held on June the 20th at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, all right? And, of course, you're going to always win something. So register and attend the webinar for a chance to win a $100 Amazon gift card. 3 winners will be selected. Who does not like to win, all right? Let's keep this going. I saw this amazing deal with Classic Vacations. So they receive free breakfast plus 15% off at the Palms, Turks and Caicos, okay? So receive 50% off. And then let's see. Cancel for any reason plus commission protection. Travel advisor commission is paid the week of booking departure. So yeah, check out Classic Vacations if you're trying to figure out how to get into Classic Vacations as one of our hosted agents. Hey, just go ahead and log into the Travel Agent Only Facebook group and just type in Classic Vacations. Everything that you would need to know is right there. Okay, so I thought that was pretty cool. Scepter or Scepter actually. They're having a live webinar with Croatia, okay? And so this webinar is going to be June the 13th at 4 p.m. Eastern, okay? Let's see. All right, so you just log into your Scepter Pro. I call it Scepter, but I know I'm saying it wrong, y'all. Scepter, that's their name, Scepter. All right, so log into your Scepter portal and to get all of the links. Let's keep on going. So Delta Travel Advisor Rewards season. So, all right, so over here, let's talk about the promo code. So, plus, for a limited time, SkyMiles members can save up to $250 per flight, plus hotel booking with promo code SMATH250. Wait a minute, reap the rewards while your clients explore Where your clients. Okay, so got that. Let's look at the. Okay, here it is, right here. All right, I always like to look at the terms. Purchase any Delta Vacation flight and package from Delta Vacation's origin in U.S. or Canada between June 1st to July 31st for travel between June 1st and December 31st. At the time of reservation, make sure you put in the promo code SMMATH250, and that's going to get you $250 off. All right, discount. Let's see. Minimum 2-night stay, no minimum purchase amount required. Discount is $25 of bookings up to $14.99, $75 of bookings up to from $1,500 to $39.99, $125 off for bookings for $4,000 to $69.99, and $250 off bookings of $7,000 or more. Okay, so the maximum discount is $250. So yeah, that is a good promo code. Promo code once again SMMATH250. All right, and then I saw this Ryu Pro deal that came through. All right, so over here they're offering free transfer. So if y'all have never been to the Maldives, listen, I'm here to talk for you. I have, and what I can tell you, depending on what island that you're going to, from the airport over to the island, it could maybe take 45 minutes to an hour by sea boat to get there. Or hey, if y'all got the funds, fly from the airport over to your island, and that won't be long at all. But and sometimes the transfers could be like maybe 1 something, 2 something per person. So this free transfer, that's pretty good, right? So Hotel Ryu Atoll from $249. It's all inclusive, situated on a private island, main and themed restaurants, swim up pool, swim up bars, and kids swimming pool. So the booking dates for that deal is from June the 1st through June the 30th, and the travel dates are June the 1st through October the 31st. So yeah, check out Ryu, and don't forget that Ryu Pro, the website, is not actually for like travel agents. It's more of a it's more set up for like the travel agency side. If you're trying to book Ryu, I would say maybe check any of your other suppliers. But yeah. Or you can call them directly as well if you're trying to book, right? But their Ryu Pro site it's a little different. It's not like one of the travel agent portals. It's really different. You'll see when you get there. But yeah, let's see. I think that is it. I know it's a little bit quick, but I think that is it. And so let's talk about this travel joke. So the travel joke is simple. He told me to quit going to those places. That's it. That's the end of it. And when I read it, I laughed because sometimes in life you meet people and they don't want you to travel as much. Yeah. So he told me to quit going to those places, and there's nothing else here to say anything about him. So I thought that was funny. I don't know. I got a funny sense of humor, but yep, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Travel Tea Tuesday. Yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything, or any deals that are out there, go ahead and put them in the comments, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.